last and final bonus is very simple, very, very unique, but very simple. Just understand IT project management. And you're like, what do you mean? Understanding the fundamental processes, methodologies, and when I say fundamental process, meaning fundamental concept. What are the concepts? Remember, that's what I was saying to you, where I was saying, family, that this is going to take time to pick up on some of these concepts, but in every well, I shouldn't say in every, but the majority, let's put it that way, there's a fundamental concept. So for project management, the fundamental concept is the triple constraint. That is a fundamental concept. I can go anywhere in the world, and if they are PMP, I should be able to say, what is the fundamental concept of project management? What is the iron triangle? And they should be able to tell me cost, schedule, quality, and of course scope. They should be that is a fundamental process. So what you will want to do is I would recommend taking, if you want to go deeper on that, taking a class on Udemy, or taking a class on Skillshare, or maybe wait till my class that drops around IT project management.